On today's episode, I'll prepare vegetable soup. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Galaxy's Corner. I hope you all are doing well. I'll prepare vegetable soup. I have in my house, in my kitchen, small water leaf, pumpkin leaf, and Uziza leaf. So I said, okay, let me just make a small vegetable soup. So stay tuned. So this is my water leaf, my Uziza leaf, pumpkin leaf, my washed dry and stockfish, seasoning cube, my crayfish, pepper, chopped cow skin, salt, red oil, that's palm oil, and my protein. I'm using goat meat and cow skin. So guys, we'll start by steaming our protein. You add seasoning cube, add crayfish and pepper. I like adding these things so that it can enter inside the meat. I will cover and steam for 5 minutes. So I will check the protein. At this juncture, I will add the stockfish and the dry fish. Call this one quick vegetable soup. At this moment, you check our protein. As you can see, they are done. I will scoop them out. I'll just add oil. And I'll cover the pot. We'll taste stock water because we're not adding any other water. So we'll test it to adjust the taste. We'll add pepper. At the moment, Waterleaf. Cover for like 2 minutes. So it's time to put our things. We'll add the I'll add my protein. I'll add small water. So after adding the water, I'll just turn it. After turning, our vegetable soup is ready. Hello guys, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye.